Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now I am going to explain the program forming the structure date. In the initial steps, using the basic coding, include IOStream using namespace. Then I have created a structure called date, in which three integer values day, month and year have been declared. In the main function, I have declared another variable I. In the structure date, t variable is declared. Using the cout statement, it's asking to enter date, month and year, which is entered using the cin statement, where t dot is used to specify that it is referring to the day, month and year of structure t. Then using the last cout statement, the values are printed in the format as specified. Now I'll show the output. It's asking to enter date, month and year. This way it prints the main value. Now I am going to explain the program for showing structure phone containing area code, exchange and number. In the initial steps, I have used likewise the basic coding. Then I have created a structure called phone, which has three integers: area code, exchange and number. Coming to the main function, within phone, one is input, another one is mine. In mine, three values are assigned: 212 being for area code, 767 for exchange and 8900 for number. Then I have used do while loop. Within the loop, first statement using cout asks the user to enter the area code, exchange and number, which is entered using cin. In the next cout statement, it's showing my number, which refers to mine area code, mine exchange and mine number, referring to the mine structure of phone. In the next statement, using cout, the value is printed for input area code, input exchange and input number. In the next statement, it shows to press C to continue or any other key to exit from the loop, while condition being get character is equal to C. For this function, I have used include conio.h in the beginning. Now I'll show the output for this one. It's asking to enter area code, then exchange, then number. As you can see, my number is printed, then it's showing your number is this one. Now I'll explain the program, where I have created a structure called time, showing hour, minute and second and total calculation in seconds. In the initial steps, I've used likewise basic coding, include IOStream namespace, and then these two header files, as I'll tell you for the reason they are included. I have created a structure called time, in which the integer values hour, minute and second I have declared. Coming to the main structure, time is declaring variable t, followed by false Then using cout, it's asking to enter the hour, which is entered using scene. T dot hour refers to the hour contained in the structure time t. Then using if condition is, if t hour is greater than 24, it will show as invalid hour. Then in the false one, using cout, it's asking the user to enter the minute, which is entered using scene. Condition being using if t minute is greater than 60, then it will show as invalid minute. And go to statement false one. In false 2, it's asking the user to enter the second, which is entered. Here if condition is t second greater than 60, using cout, it will show as invalid second. Using go to statement, it will say to go to false 2. Now again using if t hour is less than or equal to 12, using cout statement, t hour, t minute, t second is printed. Else t hour is equal to t hour minus 12. Using cout, t hour, t minute, t second are printed. Then long total seconds is equal to t hours into 3600 plus t minute into 60 plus t second. Cout long total seconds equal to total second. Now I'll show the output of the following program. It's asking the user to enter the hours, to enter the minute, to enter the seconds. Likewise, long total seconds have been calculated. That's all. Thank you.